Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Blockbull Rabbit now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel now. Let's dive into the crypto bubbles because XRP is leading the pack. This is the first time in a long while that XRP has actually eclipsed the rest of the crypto bubbles on the daily. You can see up here 11%. The rest of the ISO tokens doing okay as well. Strongly correlated is XLM. That is Stellar. We've got HBAR as well. We've got ADA, and we've got some other sort of green crypto bubbles as well going on, as you can see. Now, the big news today is President Trump says we have achieved a total reset with China. So trade negotiations have gone very well, and it looks as if both parties are happy, according to the president. Now, we're going to take a look at XRP today, and if we've got time, we'll take a quick look at XCN as well, just to see where we're currently trading. But it is a big day for XRP as we are breaking out of this major bull flag here, which we will be zooming in for you guys, okay? But I just want to basically zoom out and give you guys a better gist of what's been playing out for XRP over the past sort of 10 years, if you will. So we've got the 2016, 17, 18 cycle down here. Now, this is why everybody is invested in XRP, because you can see here we did the 1, the 2, the 3, the prolonged fourth, the third to the fourth wave that took approximately 6 months. Then we got the blow off top there. So that was a massive move. So from that apex, we moved over 60,000%. So this is why everyone is so bullish on XRP. Now, from that sort of high there in January 2018, we've done the ABC correction. Okay, so we've gone from the A to the B to the C. Now, the C wave doesn't always have to fall lower than the A wave, okay? So this is what's happened here. The C wave has gone into the apex. We've basically, been coiling. US elections, 5th of November at this point, and then, you know what, XRP has gone absolutely parabolic. And then what's happened here is we've actually ran into the sort of weekly highs here of this previous cycle. So January of 18 there. So let's just mark out there, which is that weekly close there, which is around sort of $2.80 in the white. And look at where XRP has gotten itself into. And this is where we've been stuck now for 161 days. We've basically been sort of squashed between this sort of white sort of resistance line here and the 200-day moving average. So we've created a 161-day consolidation phase into the form of a bull flag. Now, what's important to note is XRP has broken out of this bull flag. Yeah, so we're probably going to be looking at getting up to about $2.80 to $3, and then after that, guys, XRP is probably going to absolutely explode, melt up to at least double figures, in my opinion, guys. So you can see here 200-day moving average as well respected. We should have known, and this is exactly what happened over on XYen when we got that slow bleed from the end of January all the way down. It was down around sort of 80%. We hit the 200-day moving average, and then it popped to the upside. XRP didn't have enough injection in it, so what it's done, it's held really well, and then it's gradually gone up, and then we've had another sort of tap down here at the 200-day moving average. And you know what? It's been enough for us to break out of this bull flag now, so we're probably just going to wait for probably some more fundamental analysis in terms of a catalyst. So whether that be something to do with any ETFs or something to do with the litigation, maybe something to do with a trade deal with China. Could be anything, guys. But ultimately, from a charting perspective, XRP is looking really good now, and I feel like it's literally the only way is up for XRP. Now, what I want to do in today's video is basically highlight the sort of similarities from this sort of cycle in this sort of first sort of these two waves here. So you get your 1 and your 2. We're now going into the biggest leg of the whole crypto cycle. So this third leg is usually twice the length of wave 1. Okay, so this is going to be absolutely massive, guys. Again, I'm just plotting it just for illustration purposes, so don't read too much into these sort of prices at the side of your chart, okay? That's why I've got the XRP plan. You probably won't be able to find them at this moment in time because I am migrating from Shopify over to WAP. and this is where you can find my Discord, guys. I've not yet uploaded those other two plans, XRP XDC plan, but for $29.99 per month, you can get in there. You get all the crypto AI tools. The 7-day free trial will be coming to an end this Sunday, so I'm going to be scrapping that because I don't want people coming in and out of the Discord group and disrupting the sort of core members in there as well. So big up all the block bulls over there in the Discord. But yeah, if you guys want to join, make sure to click on the link down below in the description, or I can pin this as a comment at the top of the comment section. Okay, guys. So yeah, let's get back to XRP. So we've had wave 1 and we've had a prolonged wave 2. Now this wave 2 here, this has lasted 6 months. Yeah. What else lasted 6 months in this sort of massive super cycle? It was this wave here. Now this wasn't wave 2. This was in fact wave 4. So this wave 4, from the peak of wave 3, top of the second impulse, down to here, this took 6 months, yeah? And then we got the blow off top. So what could potentially be happening from here to the sort of present sort of cycle is we're getting a sort of 1, 2, where we get a prolonged 2, 3, 4, 5 happens really quickly. So going from like top to bottom on this one, and then bottom to top. So I hope this makes sense. Yeah. So you've got your first wave, which happens really quick and aggressively. Now in the previous cycle, we did 2, 3, and then the fourth wave was prolonged. Yeah. So we actually got something along these lines. So we actually did this. Yeah. In the previous cycle, something along these lines. So you got your 1, 2, 3 really quickly. The fourth wave usually lasts about 6 months, and then you get the blow off top with the fifth wave. Now, the fact that this has lasted 6 months, what I'm trying to get across in this video, again, illustration purposes, is we could see a 3, 4, 5 happen really, really quickly now. Okay, so if we were just to measure the sort of time analysis on how long it took to do these two impulses, could be a good insight into how quickly this bull market is going to come to an end. So that took about 61 bars. Yeah, so if we take those 61 bars, we could have wave 3, 4, 5 play out in the space of 2 months now. Now, some people may think, you know what, we're going to be lasting a lot longer than 61 bars. The reason being why I could be coming along to this sort of, again, it is all just speculation, guys. This is for entertainment purposes only, this video. The reason being, Fed Wyatt is going live on the 14th of July. We've also got around that sort of time as well, the 90-day tariff rates are all going to be paused. They're being paused now, but that pause comes to an end around sort of July time, June, July time. So you know what, we could be seeing sort of third, fourth, and the fifth wave happen in the space of sort of 61 days now, because we're breaking out. Let's go into the sort of again, we're on the daily. Let me just zoom in for you guys. You can see quite clearly, I've already shown you, breaking out of a bull flag. Yeah, bull flag 65%. Oh, they're higher. They're more like 70 to 75% chance of a breakout to the upside. Well, you know, statistics are backing that up now because we're seeing a breakout to the upside. But God, honestly, guys, this could be the banana zone right now. So, you know what? We could see a 1, could see the 2 down here, and then the 3. We've got absolutely parabolic 4 and the 5th. Yeah, let's just fit all that in. So something like this, and then that would actually bring us out into sort of 22nd of July, which is literally a week after the sort of Fed wire goes live, middle of July. And that got postponed from March. So all this was supposed to occur in March, which is what I put in the sort of XRP plans. I thought it would be a lot higher, but that did get postponed from March, like I say, to July. So you know what, XRP is looking absolutely massive at this moment in time, and it's not just XRP that's going to move in a sort of wild direction. The rest of the crypto market is going to move absolutely insane. Literally, we are in a super cycle now. This is going to go absolutely bananas. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the content. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Hopefully we see some of you guys in the Discord server as well. We're all in there. Like I say, we've got a 7-day free trial, so make sure you take advantage of that now if you are sat on the fence. Again, you've got nothing to lose. We've got loads of price targets. We've got all these key features down here as well. So we've got plenty going on there. Well worth the money if you are chasing generational wealth throughout this cycle, guys. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I've been the Block Bull. Until next time, the Block Bull is over and out.